Hey guys, this is Stitch G from Plomor. If you're driving an LC215, you know the struggle when you're out overlanding or camping. The cargo area has tons of vertical space, but it's completely wasted without tiers. Everything just gets piled up. If you want to grab your tools from the bottom, you have to unload half the trunk. And what's worse, most off-market steel racks out there are so poorly made that the constant rattling on the road will drive you absolutely crazy. Stop wasting time digging through your gear and dealing with annoying noises. Today, we are doing a clean bottom upgrade with a Plomor multifunctional cargo shelf. Designed specifically for the Toyota Land Cruiser 215 with that OE Plus standard. This isn't just a step-by-step install guide. I'm going to show you how it solves both the noise and the storage headache. We always stick to our OE Plus design philosophy. That means our gear doesn't just need to be heavy duty, it also has to look completely seamless, like it came straight from the factory. Let's do a quick check on the modular parts we are using today. The kit comes with two stamped steel mounting brackets and your left and right grab handle supports. The core of the system rests on these 4 heavy-duty injection molded nylon clamps, which hold our main tray securely in place. As for the hardware, you get premier fast-hand Allen bolts, protective corner guards, and 2 M6 thumb screws. Just a heads up, though this is our first prototype bench, after doing some testing, we made a few tweaks for the final version. First, we give the rack a more clean edge profile, but don't worry, it will still come with the protective corner guards. Second, we streamlined the mounts to shave off any unnecessary bulk. And third, we swapped out these rib nuts here for 4 welded integrated hex nuts. Now that we've got everything laid out, let's hop in the back and get it work. This rack is a 100% custom fit, no drilling, no cutting your factory trim. It's an easy one-man job you can finish in your own garage. Check it out, it's just 5 simple steps. Step 1. Pop out the factory plastic caps on both sides of the cargo area to reveal the hidden mounting holes. Step 2. Grab the 6x15 Allen bolts with flat washers and mount the steel bases on the left and right. Just a little tip guys, don't crack them all the way down yet, leave some wiggle room so we can line everything up. Step 3. Line things up and use the 6x14 and 6x70 Allen bolts to secure the grab handle supports firmly to the bases. Step 4. Take our heavy-duty nylon clamps and use the 6x15 Allen bolts to secure them around the tubing of the supports. Step 5. Finally, lay the tray flat on top and lock it down using the included 6x14 thumb screws. Now, go ahead and torque down all the bolts from the previous steps. Look at that! Perfect factory-like fitment, completely flush and rock solid. Now that it's installed, I know what you are all wondering about, rattles. Why do most cheap metal racks make so much noise on the tray? Because it's metal-on-metal friction. Plomor solves this by using heavy-duty injection molded nylon clamps as a buffer between the steel supports and the tray. Nylon naturally absorbs vibration and kills noise. I can give you my word, whether you are doing your daily commute or hitting brutal washboard roads in the middle of nowhere, this thing is completely quiet. No rattles at all. Plus, from a security standpoint, this shelf and tray setup create a perfect physical barrier in your trunk. It keeps your gear neatly separated day to day. And in a worst case scenario like, if you are pulled out in the wild and someone breaks your rear window, This solid mesh and lock tray act as a protective shield. It makes it difficult for someone to just reach in and grab your expensive gear stored underneath. It's that extra peace of mind that keeps you moving. Think this is just an ordinary cargo rack? Nope. Plomor's modular design always brings a surprise. When you're out in the wild and need a quick flat surface, you can easily put this tray right off. Zero tools needed, and use it as a clean gear tray on the spot. Now, here's a real kicker. Check out these pre-drilled mounting slots underneath the tray. We actually already designed a set of dedicated camping legs specifically for this setup. Once you snap these legs on, boom, it instantly transforms into a solid temporary camp table. Right now, this concept is still sitting in our R&D lab. So guys, if you want this feature in your life, spam make it happen down in the comments. If the demand is there, we will push it straight onto the mass production line. So that is the Plomor Modular Cargo Shelf for the Land Cruiser 250. It completely unlocks your trunk vertical space, gives you a 100% rattle-free ride, and opens up the potential for an awesome camp table down the road. If you want to bring this level of oil plus industrial aesthetic to your rig, go ahead and click the link in the description or the pinned comment below to check out our official website for more details. Make sure to follow Plomor as we keep pushing boundaries. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, hit subscribe, share it, and don't forget to let me know in the comments if you want those table legs. I'm DHG. See you in the next one. Catch you later. Bye bye.